from email. Today I want to introduce this electric cooker. Firstly, the panel uses EGO imported from Germany, has a longer lifespan and more durable and reliable. This is a design of a bridge style, ensuring there are no hard-to-reach corners, and the table is a hole pumped foaming. Water and oil stains are easy to clean. Let's talk about the materials. Overall, an operating table are made of 304 material and 1.5 thickness. The side panel are made of 430 material and 1.2 thickness. Lastly, the cooker thin alley knobs. It looks beautiful and significant, strong and durable. Overall, this is a cost-effective equipment. Thank you, everyone. See you next day.